Welcome to another Tested for Life in Canada video. Today I'll be looking at the Braun MultiQuick 5V product. This is an MQ5000 hand blender. Just a hand blender. This has these two pieces that can be joined together very easily. This is the hand blender. It has a fairly long cord, but maybe not as long as I would like. Multiple cases I had to drag the table closer to the power outlet to be able to do the mixing. I would have much preferred to have one with a battery, but this one doesn't. I'm not sure if there's even hand blenders that will do that. It has two buttons, one that will mix at the speed that you have here on the dial, and one that will mix at maximum speed. So far I used it to make some mashed potatoes and some whipped cream. It worked perfectly fine in both situations. It also has a cup, but I prefer not to use it. Thank you for watching my video.